There are different anti-snoring devices reviews like snore reduction pillow, nasal strips to stop snoring, snoring nasal spray and snore mouthpiece. Most of these devices to stop snoring are available in your local store. Instead of resorting to painful and costly anti-snoring devices to stop your snoring problems, first try out Sing, an anti-snoring device which works for you. If you really want an effective anti-snoring devices reviews, they are offering a trial period. It is all you'll ever need.